It's a very heavy traffic because of the accident ahead. I think it's a rural bus. The ambulance is just keeps on going backward and forward trying to rescue all those casualties. Oh my God. Bus drivers, please drive safely. Look at the bus. Oh my gosh. It's really very bad. God, help. Look at that. That was the bus.
Mawa? Pila ka buk pa si di patay na?
Dua daan diri sir, pero dito nagdagangan ko.
Mga pila ka buk ha?
Amo laga ko kira duga kita.
First. Rural.